Polished, not polished. Doing hard water spot removal with our secret sauce and hogshair pad, the machine. Look how dull that is. We've already polished this fixture. We're gonna get to this one, and we're gonna get to this glass. This is only 2 years old, and it is hammered. Their door sweep's never been off. All the grout is already missing. We're gonna be replacing that with super grout additive. And yeah, we're actually probably gonna be color sealing with color clad this grout because it was once bright white, and when we clean this, we're probably only gonna get it about 90% better. So that final 10% that these people are gonna want, we'll use color clad. We also are gonna be cutting out this mildewed silicone, which is only 2 years old, like I said, and replacing that silicone. And once we polish this glass, we're going to be sealing it with some envy coat and making it all new. Over and out.